morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you fine. Okay. Where we stop in the last class? Yes, we just started a new chapter, nouns, gender. Nouns, gender. Okay, in the last class we discussed about 4 kinds of nouns, gender. Which are they? Masculine, feminine, common and neuter. These are the 4 nouns in gender. Okay. Once again I will explain what is feminine, common, masculine and neuter gender. First one is masculine gender. Masculine gender means males are said to be of masculine gender and females are said to be feminine gender, and common gender means both male and female. Both male and female are said to be common gender, and non-living things, all non-living things including neuter gender. Okay, in the last class we discussed about that 4 nouns and gender. Today's class we discussing about activities of the chapter nouns and nouns gender. Okay, now all of you take page number 13. Page number 13. First, activity A. Fill in the missing letters to get the feminine gender of these nouns. One has been done for you. Okay, fill in the missing letter to get the feminine gender of these nouns. Okay, here given some nouns genders. Then you find out the feminine gender. കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന nouns genders ന്റെ feminine gender കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനാണ് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. Okay, first one is already there. First one is host. Host feminine gender. What here is hostess. Okay, that is already there. Okay, now next we can discuss second one, emperor. Okay, emperor feminine gender what? Empress. Okay, emperor feminine gender empress. Okay, then third one, bridegroom. Third one, bridegroom feminine gender. What is the bridegroom feminine gender? Anyone know? Yes, bridegroom feminine gender bride. Okay, next fourth one, landlord. Okay, landlord feminine gender. Anyone know the feminine gender of landlord? Landlady. Okay, landlady. Landlord feminine gender landlady. Okay, all of you write this activity in your textbook. Okay, with the pencil. Okay, then fifth one, nephew. Fifth one, nephew. Okay, nephew, feminine gender, niece. Niece. Okay. Nephew, feminine gender, niece. Okay. Then, sixth, hair. Hair. Anyone know the feminine gender of hair? Hair, hairess. Hairess. Okay. Then all of you write in your textbook, page number 13, activity A. First one, host, hostess. Then emperor, empress. Bridegroom, bride. Then landlord, landlady. Then nephew, niece. And hair, heiress. Okay, once again, I will read, then all of you write in your textbook very neatly. Okay, first one, host, hostess, emperor, empress, bridegroom, bride, landlord, landlady, nephew, niece, heir, heiress. Okay, all of you finish? All of you write 6 feminine gender in your textbook. Okay. Then, next page. All of you take page number 14. Page number 14. Okay. Next page number 14. Page number 14. Activity B. Activity B. Read the nouns in the box. What kind of nouns are they? Masculine, feminine, common or neuter? Okay. Here given some nouns in the box and you identify what kind of noun is this. Okay. ഇവിടെ കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന ഈ ബോക്സിൽ കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന നൗൺസുകൾ ഏത് തരം നൗൺസ് ആണ്, കോമൺ ആണോ, മാസ്കുലിൻ ആണോ, ഫെമിനൈൻ ആണോ, ന്യൂട്രൽ ആണോ എന്ന് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, യു ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് ദ ആൻസർ. ഓക്കെ, നൗ ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു ലിസൺ. I will read the nouns. Tractor, first one tractor, building, fan, pen, juicer and ship. Tractor, building, fan, pen, juicer and ship. These are the nouns given here. Okay, we already studied about four kinds of nouns, gender, feminine, masculine, common and neuter. Okay, you just remember that. Masculine gender means masculine male said to be masculine and female said to be feminine, and both male and female said to be common, and non-living things are neuter. Okay, you just think about it. Okay, tractor, building, fan, pen, juicer, ship. These are which kinds of gender? Tractor is a machine. Okay, building is a four-wall building. Okay, fan is fan, then pen using to write, then juicer and then ship. Okay, what kind of things it is? Yes, it's a non-living things. ഇതിനൊക്കെ ജീവനുണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല അല്ലേ? ഇതെല്ലാം മൂവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എങ്ങനെയാണ്? വിത്ത് അനദർ എനർജി അല്ലേ? മറ്റൊരു എനർജി ഉപയോഗിച്ചുകൊണ്ടാണ് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്, സ്വന്തമായിട്ട് മൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയില്ല. ഇറ്റ്സ് ഓൾ non-living things. Tractor, building, fan, pen, juicer and ship are non-living thing because it is all including neuter gender. Okay, tractor, building, fan, pen, juicer, ship, all non-living things because it including neuter gender. Then give a reason for your answer. Here, another question here, give a reason for your answer. Okay, we already told that what is, it's all non-living things, because of that including in neuter gender. We can write a definition for it. Okay, then all of you take a pencil to write the answer. You write these nouns. These nouns are all neuter gender. Neuter gender, because they are non-living things. Okay, all of you write here. Here question, give a reason for your answers. Under that question, you write this sentence. These nouns are all neuter gender because they are non-living things. Okay, you write down. These nouns are all neuter gender because they are non-living things. Okay, all of you finish? Yes, very good. Okay, last activity. All of you listen your textbook. Fill in the blanks with the opposite gender of the nouns given in the brackets. The first sentence has been done for you. Okay, fill in the blanks with the opposite gender of the nouns given in the brackets. Okay, here 1 to 8 sentence. Here 8 sentence. Then you write here opposite gender of the nouns. ഈ ബ്രാക്കറ്റിൽ കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന നൗൺസിൻ്റെ ഒക്കെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് ജെൻഡർ നിങ്ങൾ എഴുതാനാണ് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, നൗ ഫസ്റ്റ് സെൻറ്റൻസ് ഓൾറെഡി ഡൺ. മൈ ഗ്രാൻഡ് മദർ ആൻഡ് ആൻറ്റ് വിസിറ്റഡ് ടുഡേ അസ് ടുഡേ. ഹിയർ grandfather and uncle already right here. Then second sentence, all of you listen second sentence. We can read the second sentence. The dash were told to feed the grains to the dash. The dash were told to feed the grains to the dash. In your textbook option is boys and roosters. Boys and roosters. Here question is that ബ്രാക്കറ്റിലുള്ള നൗൺസിൻ്റെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് ജെൻഡറിനെ എഴുതാനാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഹിയർ ഓപ്ഷൻ ഈസ് ബോയ്സ് ആൻഡ് റൂസ്റ്റർ. Then first one we can take boys. Boys opposite gender. Boys opposite gender. Boysന്റെ opposite gender എന്താണ്? Girls. Very good. Girls. Okay, girls. Then roosters. We already studied about that in last class. Here rooster. Okay, here page number 12. Rooster, feminine gender. Yes, hen. Okay, hen. Okay, then second sentence, the dash were told to feed the grains to the dash. Then answer is that the girls, first you write the girls were told to feed the grains to the hens. Roosters, hens. Okay, then All of you right? All of you right? Yes. Third sentence. The dash played the role of a dash in the film. The dash played the role of a dash in the film. Okay, here option is hero and king. Hero and king. Then you first find out the opposite of hero and king. Okay, what is the opposite gender of hero? We already told that. Yes, heroine. Third one. Heroine. Then next king. King opposite gender? Queen. Yes. Queen. Okay. Heroine and queen. Then sentence is like that. The heroine played the role of a queen in the film. Okay. First heroine, then second queen. Okay. The sentence is that the heroine played the role of a queen in the film. Okay. Finish? Yes, very good. Then fourth sentence. The dash brought the dash inside. The dash brought the dash inside. Here bracket option father and bridegroom. Father and bridegroom. Then first you find out the opposite gender of father and bridegroom. Okay, here father opposite gender. Yes, mother. Then bridegroom opposite gender. Bridegroom opposite gender we wrote in the first activity. Bridegroom, bride. Yes, bride. Bride. Okay. Okay, next sentence. Fourth sentence, mother and bride. Okay, the sentence is like that. The mother brought the bride inside. The mother brought the bride inside. Okay, then fifth sentence. Okay, fifth sentence. Dash, your dash has won the spelling contest. Dash, your dash has won the spelling contest. Option is moms and daughter. Moms and daughter. Then we already studied about the opposite gender of daughter and moms. Okay, then first one moms. Moms of opposite gender, ma'am, madam or ma'ams or madam. Okay, opposite gender. Yes, very good, sir. Sir. Then daughter opposite gender. Yes, very good, son. Okay. Then ma'am's opposite gender, sir, and daughter opposite gender, son. Okay. Then the sentence is like that. Sir, your son has won spelling contest. Sir, your son has won the spelling contest. Okay. Then sixth sentence. The dash caught the dash and run into the woods. The dash caught the dash and run into the woods. Okay, here Vixen and Ave. Vixen and Ave the options. Then in the page number 13, there's an answer. Okay, Vixen opposite gender, fox. Yes, fox, and Ave opposite gender, sheep. Okay, very good. Then sentence is like that. The fox caught the sheep and ran into the woods. The fox caught the sheep and ran into the woods. Okay, sentence is like that. Okay, all of you finish? First and second answer, girls and hens. Then third, heroine and queen. Then fourth, mother and bride. Fifth, sir and son. Sixth, fox and sheep. Then seventh and eighth, I will give you homework. Okay, seventh and eighth, I will give you homework. Sentence is that a dash helped the old dash get up from the chair, and eighth sentence, the dash took the dash back to the palace. Okay, here find out the answer, gentleman, man, queen, prince, princess. Okay, then you find out the opposite gender of this words, nouns. Okay, then 7 and 8 homework. Okay, then I hope all of you understand the gender. Okay, then once again I will explain the genders, nouns and genders. There is four type of nouns gender, which are they? Masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Okay, then masculine gender means said to be male, said to be masculine gender, female said to be feminine gender, and common gender means both males and females said to be common gender, and non-living things are neuter gender. Okay, then we discuss the all 3 activities and 7 and 8 homework. Okay, then I hope all of you understand. Then we can meet next class. Okay, thank you.